Hello everyone, I just bought a refurbished MacBook Air and it's the year 2024 and I want to go ahead and basically unbox it. It's not anything crazy, we've seen MacBook Airs before, but this is a certified refurbished one. So it is a little bit of a different process. It's a little bit of a different MacBook than a brand new MacBook Air. So if you're planning on buying one, this is what to expect. It comes in different packaging, so keep that in mind. It doesn't look like the standard MacBook Air that you normally buy. And this is a 2020 M1 model. This one is the oldest MacBook Air right now on macOS Sequoia. So that's the main reason why I bought it, is because it's still supported with software and it's giving us this macOS, the latest macOS update. Now taking all the stickers off, you can kind of see that we are able to kind of still have an unboxing experience of some sort on a cheaper MacBook. Now with the cable, with the box itself, it feels a tiny bit different. There's not this whole MacBook that's on the top, but that's the main thing you're probably going to see. That's the difference. Taking this MacBook apart though, you can kind of see that if we go and basically unbox this thing, we'll have the MacBook that'll just, hit us right in the face. So putting this to the side right here, actually I'll put it to the side right here, you can see that we have the MacBook. This is a gray one, it's a 13-inch model as well. You can see it looks pretty good. They basically keep them in really, really good condition for the most part. Taking this whole thing off, you can see we have the sticker right here. So we have the standard MacBook. It looks in pretty good condition. It smells a little bit different though. Like, it smells fine, but it smells like Home Depot. I don't really know how to describe it. You can see it looks almost in perfect condition though. I mean, I literally don't see any like smudges or anything. You can see right here, the bottom of this MacBook looks good too. So it looks almost perfect condition. I'll go and open it up in a second, but inside the box, you can see we have our standard cables. We have the 30-watt connector. We have the USB Type-C to Type-C connector. Opening up the MacBook, you can kind of see what else we have. So we can go and open it up right here. You can see that within the bottom MacBook, everything looks pretty good. There doesn't really seem to be any damage or anything like that, which is really nice. With the display itself, we did have this little sticker thing over the display. So I'll go and basically unlock the display like this. And from my eye, from my viewpoint, everything looks fine. The display itself looks perfect, like almost in perfect condition. And the MacBook itself looks in very good condition overall as well. So for a certified refurbished MacBook, that is basically what to expect. It looks pretty good. I'm very happy with it. But if you're planning on getting a certified refurbished MacBook, this is basically the stuff you'll get, and it looks almost in perfect condition in my eyes. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.